the position vector of P and position vector of Q is given to us. R lies on the x-axis and vector OR equals to vector OP plus mu vector OQ, where mu is a scalar constant. So OP can be written as 8i plus 3j plus mu, and OQ is minus 12i minus 7j. After rearranging, we are getting 8i minus 12 mu I plus 3j minus 7 mu j. Now, as R lies on the x-axis, coefficient of j will be equals to 0. So 3 minus 7 mu, which is the coefficient of j, would be equals to 0. Therefore, 3 equals to 7 mu and mu equals to 3 over 7. Now, what would be the vector OR? So, vector OR would be 8i minus 12 into 3 by 7 I, which is 8i minus 36 by 7i. After simplifying, we are getting 56 minus 36 over 7i, which is 20 by 7i. So vector OR will be equals to 20 by 7i, and coefficient of j will be equals to 0 because the point R lies on the x-axis.